Take a ride in the 2022 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, traction control, stability control, power lift gate, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, backup camera. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.